Introducing our exciting new rooms. Mandalay Bay. Feel the glow.
Good morning on this Sunday. Today is the 14th of January, 2024. By now you already know, if you're a football fan, the Chiefs are in and the Texans are in. More football to be played today. And what better place to watch it than in Las Vegas? We're at the Mandalay Bay. I thought I'd show you around some of the history of the past, some of the goings on now, who owns it, just about the hotel. I mean, it's been around for almost a quarter of a century now. The Mandalay Bay has 43 floors, just like yesterday had 43 rooms at the Arnie's Hawaiian, and I'm cave on 43, so it fits. 43 floors, 3,200 rooms. This is on the site of the former Hacienda Hotel. The Hacienda Hotel was bought by Circus Circus in 1995 and then demolished on New Year's Eve 1996 at 9 o'clock, so it would blow up on live TV or implode on live TV for the dropping of the ball in New York for the New Year. So the Hacienda, which was right here, okay, so that was the end of the Hacienda. So Circus Circus bought this for $80 million, like I was saying, and they bought the land next to it for $70 million. And we're very close to the airport. So McCarran Airport to me, it's Harry Reid now or something like that, but it'll always be McCarran. And we got a car going behind me. When this was brought down in 1996, that's when they started building the Mandalay to compete with the Mirage Hotel and Casino down the road. So it was bought by Circus Circus for many years, and it was opened up, I believe, in March 2nd, 1999. Yes, that is correct. So this is almost someone's birthday. It's going to be 25 years, a quarter of a century, and a lot's gone on here, if you know. I'm not going to get into the bad stuff, focus on the good. Go look at it inside and kind of remember the past and kind of catch up to date of what's new inside there now. So let's go inside Mandalay. So there's the view, and this is the Las Vegas Strip heading out of Vegas if you're heading back to LA. They just turned off the McDonald's sign because the sun is coming up. The McDonald's had the classic Las Vegas bulb sign, but over here I was going to say is the Four Seasons. It's ran by the Four Seasons, but it is part of Mandalay Bay as well. We're gonna head inside, see what's new, see what's old. Known for such things as, well, right now, the Michael Jackson show, but also Shark Reef. I think I'll do a separate video on that because that's just gonna take enough time in its own. But next door, if you're not familiar with Vegas, is the Luxor, the pyramid. And look at that. Half of the pyramid is a Dorito ad. The other half, a Michelob Ultra. The Egyptians would be proud. Out in the distance over there too, you can see New York Hotel and Casino. But it's about 7 o'clock. Not a whole lot going on. We can actually look around and get around this place pretty quick. So like I was saying, this is the main entrance. So March 2nd of 1999, this was opened or christened. And this door right here, and I'm gonna try to find video. If I do, I'll enter it, but if I don't, then you're just gonna have to listen to me talk and tell you about it. Dan Aykroyd and James Belushi, Jim was already passed, led an entourage of 200 motorcycles into the hotel lobby to christen the new Mandalay Bay. So they would have rode their motorcycles right through here. So let's go inside and check out the lobby. Here's the main lobby, and as you can see, nothing's going on right now. It is Sunday morning. But these pictures right here, if you know, well, I know because I've seen this artist. He's around Vegas and he has a couple shops. He's Andrew Lick. He does all these photographs and then he inserts them with like gold into them and kind of like really brings out the photos. That's really cool that they have all those Lick. This is one of his popular ones too. This one and that one, I believe it's in Utah. Since Mandalay Bay is directly across the street from the Allegiant Stadium, they are the prior and after party for the LA Raiders, or Las Vegas Raiders, excuse me. So yeah, they've got that because I guess you can travel between really easily. But you can take a fun pic in these seats and act like you're at the game. Go Raiders. Fun pick. Right now it's about 40 degrees outside, so not much going on, but if you were heading down to the pool, and they have a wave pool, lazy river, cabanas, everything else that you need. Let's see which way we go. The beach and the pools. The Mandalay Beach. It's kind of cool. I didn't think I'd be able to go outside, but here we are, Mandalay Beach, with a friendly little shark warning you waves can be overpowering, collisions and falls are possible. Must be 48 inches. Yeah, so like I was saying, they do have a wave pool here. And it's pretty fun, I gotta say. I went here from the day it opened. I like that. The elephant fountain. So unfortunately, the beach club is closed for the season. And it is cold, even though when you do take the monorail or they have a tramway here too. You can see people are still going in the pool. Beautiful morning here in sunny Las Vegas. So as you can see, we're on the floor now, and you gotta tell me, this thing is calling my name. Oh, it's $1 a spin? Jeez. Pricey. Damn you Goonies. Okay, so this is $1, $5, or $10. So, I gotta play $1 at least. And nothing. Okay, let's see. Where's the volume on this? Okay, one more spin. Well, this isn't very fun for Goonies. Okay, I'll play it down to $5, but that's it. This is a garbage slot machine. And that's it. Money back. Thought this would be a good area to show some of the restaurants. And the areas down here is Shark Reef, and here's Citizens, obviously. But look over there too, is where Red Square used to be. So the thing is about most of these, they all closed due to COVID. When the casino shut down, well, the casinos really never shut down, but when they were limited to capacity, that's when a lot of these places that were here since the opening never came back. This one that's now retro by, who's that? Voltrugillo? Let's go look in here. This used to be called Ariel, and inside here, and I'll show you the tower. This tower right here was all different types of wine. So as you dined, they had these pretty girls that would work here, and they would go up there, and that was all stocked with wine, and they're called like wine angels. They would lock into those harnesses, as you can see around the guitars going up, and the contraption up there, and they would elevate like an angel to go get your bottle of wine. But no more. Now it's just stuff from the 80s, it looks like. We got a DJ kit, got some records on the wall. Very interesting decorations. And over there it looks like somebody's workbench or a bunch of toys. But yeah, this was Aerosol. No more. Thing of the past. I thought I'd show you this. So it's $99 a person to get the party started, as they say. And you can get some pepperoni rolls. Yum. Beefsteak tartare. Keep the party going with a salad or a shrimp cocktail. How fun. Share, we're telling mom, the steak frites, trout meuniere, rigatoni bolognese, and a dinner, or a dessert. Cheesecake, creme brulee, or cookies and cream, all for the low price of $99. I guess you kind of cover all the bases with that, but and if you want to check it out for yourself, there's the QR. Showing this, and what? Travis Kelce's mom in a Patrick Mahomes jersey? What is going on? Taylor Swift must be here. If you're old like me, a late 70s baby, this right here used to be Rum Jungle as you'd come in from the valet. This was the happening bar and night spot. Now it looks like the Michelob Ultra Arena is inside here, but very plain on the outside. It always looked like this, but I guess it went belly up and they declared bankruptcy a couple years back, and that is no longer either. So this place was happening though, and then over here was Red Square, and outside of Red Square they had a Stalin statue, a huge Stalin statue, and with his head cut off, and his head was actually, there was an ice bar here, and you could take on a fur coat, and inside here was Stalin's head. What the world is this? Alright. You could get on an ice coat and you can have your own liquor, and there was an ice bar going through here, which was super cool. And yeah, his head was in there locked in a safe, and if you're wealthy enough, you could have your own little spot inside there and go get your own personal liquor out of there and pour your own drinks. Things of the past. I was walking over here to the Michael Jackson theater by the sports book. And this is like on your way to the Delano, but I did see this. This is where they have the Michael Jackson show of 1. And this is authentic Michael Jackson leather shoes and Swarovski crystals. Right there. Michael Jackson wore those in his little feet. Those are some dirty socks. It's crazy. The King of Pop. Danced around in those shoes. Not sure if those were the ones that are right here. Could be. Authentic Michael Jackson red beaded military jacket. Beads on there. Wow, he is tiny. No. Well, I don't know, but let's see. Here's the gift shop. There we are. Are these on? Whoa, the light just turned on. Whoa! That's kind of cool. All right. Oh, I'm going to get copyrighted, so I'm going to try to talk over this. It just struck me as I started talking, and I was like, oh, man. And then, wow, this would probably be fun. I dig this, but I'm going to keep trying to talk over this. This might just be an outfit from the show. Some records and some autographs and some revisions. Michael Jackson's 1. Alright, just wanted to show you guys real quick. So this is the Mandalay Bay room. This is just the basic room that, well, it was free. I paid a resort fee, but here's the bathroom. Nice big shower and tub. Bed, TV, all the necessities, and there goes Southwest. That's for you, Dad. Taking off out there. What do they say? Another Southwest out there. A plane every like 60 seconds lands and takes off from here. But yeah, pretty nice room. So thought I'd finish our day over at the 80s Cafe right now. So check this out. Gonna head inside here real quick. So upon entering, look at Yoda here.
Of this season will be have much fun together, we will.
So they got a bunch of food that you can get to go, and actually little chargers too. Look at that. You get a back to the 80s shirt. Gonna go ahead and grab a Garbage Pail Kids. Live mic. So cool. And then the whole cast from Saved by the Bell. And Freddy. And they got a... I'm gonna have to come back here and eat. And Michael. Oh, look at that. We saw a Michael record earlier. Well, thanks for watching. From the 80s Cafe. Definitely be back. Make sure to subscribe. I'm gonna do part 2 of this video now. So I'm gonna head back to the hotel and we'll do short range. So see you next time. Bonus footage of Bowie and the Buggles. Making my shake right now. So yeah, they do have beers over here too, and they got the Crypt Keeper and Leatherface, Beetlejuice, Killer Clowns, Alien. One down. So cool.